Life in America today is not simple. The world is fast, unpredictable, and at times deeply overwhelming. Women across the country are balancing careers, families, education, health, and their own personal dreams, all while facing the daily storms of uncertainty, financial stress, global changes, and personal challenges. And yet, even in the middle of these difficulties, there shines a truth that cannot be ignored: strong women create strong futures. The resilience women build today is not just for themselves, it ripples forward into their families, their communities, and generations to come. Resilience is more than just enduring hard times, it's the ability to adapt, to bend without breaking, to find light even in the darkest storms. For beginners who may feel overwhelmed or unsure of where to start, resilience is not a talent you're born with. It is a skill, a muscle, something you can grow with practice and care. And this is the beautiful part. Resilience isn't built in comfort, it is built in challenges. Every obstacle is an opportunity to strengthen your inner power. For many American women, resilience starts with mindset. Hard times can make you feel powerless, but resilience is about shifting perspective. Instead of asking, "Why me?" resilient women ask, "What can I learn from this? How can this shape me into someone stronger?" This shift transforms struggles into stepping stones. Imagine a single mother working 2 jobs to provide for her children. Every day is a challenge, but her strength isn't only in surviving, it's in the lessons she teaches her kids about grit, determination, and never giving up. That is resilience in action. Another foundation of resilience is community. Strong women are not strong because they walk alone. They are strong because they know when to lean on others. In the USA, where independence is often celebrated, many women carry the weight of doing it all alone. But resilience doesn't mean isolation. It means connection. Whether it's leaning on a trusted friend, joining a women's support group, or seeking guidance from mentors, strength grows when shared. Asking for help doesn't make you weak, it makes you wise. Emotional resilience is equally important. Hard times bring not only external pressures but also internal battles: fear, anxiety, self-doubt. A resilient woman learns to manage her emotions instead of letting them control her. This doesn't mean she never feels sad or afraid, it means she acknowledges those feelings, but doesn't let them define her. Simple practices like journaling, mindfulness, prayer, or therapy are powerful tools that help women process emotions and return stronger. Emotional resilience is what allows a woman to fall apart one day and still stand tall the next. Practical self-care is another pillar of resilience. Too often, women push themselves to exhaustion, thinking resilience means running on empty. But true strength comes from replenishing yourself. Rest, exercise, healthy food, and moments of joy are not luxuries, they are lifelines. A woman who takes care of her body and mind has more energy to face challenges head-on. In America's hustle-driven culture, pausing to care for yourself is an act of defiance, and it is one of the bravest ways to build resilience. Financial resilience is also key in hard times. Many American women face economic uncertainty, rising costs, job instability, or managing debt. Resilience here means learning how to manage money wisely, building savings even in small amounts, and exploring new skills that create financial independence. A resilient woman doesn't only think about surviving today, she prepares for tomorrow. Every dollar saved, every new skill learned, is a step toward a stronger future. Spiritual resilience is another layer, one often overlooked. Believing in something bigger than yourself, whether faith, purpose, or values, can give you strength that outlasts circumstances. When times get hard, it is often faith that helps women keep moving forward. Resilient women find meaning in struggle, and that meaning becomes their anchor. In moments of doubt, returning to your why, your reason for enduring, becomes the fire that carries you through. Role models also play a powerful role in resilience. Across history, American women have faced impossible challenges and still risen strong. From pioneers and activists to mothers raising families in difficult times, their stories remind us that resilience is woven into the fabric of womanhood. Each woman today who learns to rise after falling adds her story to that legacy, creating inspiration for others who are just beginning their journey. Resilience also means flexibility. Life doesn't always go according to plan. Strong women learn to adapt, to pivot, to let go of what no longer serves them. A resilient woman may lose a job but find a new career path. She may face heartbreak but open herself to love again. She may stumble in her goals but return with new strategies. Adaptability is what transforms failure into growth. Another aspect of resilience is speaking up. Hard times can silence women, but resilience teaches you to find your voice. Whether it's advocating for yourself at work, setting boundaries in relationships, or standing for justice in your community, resilience gives you the courage to say, "I matter. My voice matters. My future matters." Strong women are not silent, they are leaders, even in the face of adversity. For beginners who may feel weak right now, remember this: resilience is built little by little. It's in the small choices you make daily. Choosing to get up after a bad day. Choosing to take care of your health. Choosing to ask for help when you need it. Choosing to believe in yourself when the world doubts you. Each of these choices adds a brick to the foundation of resilience. Over time, those bricks become a fortress. It's important to also acknowledge that resilience doesn't mean perfection. Strong women have moments of doubt, tears, and vulnerability. Resilience isn't about pretending everything is okay, it's about having the courage to keep going even when it's not. Some days you will feel unstoppable, other days you will barely make it through. Both days count. Both days build you. In America today, where so many challenges test our strength, economic uncertainty, family struggles, social pressures, resilient women are needed more than ever. Because when women rise, families rise. When women thrive, communities thrive. And when women stay strong, the future becomes stronger for everyone. So if you're listening to this and wondering how to start, begin with one small act of resilience today. Take a deep breath when stress hits. Reach out to a friend when loneliness creeps in. Set one boundary that protects your peace. Save $1 for your future. Write down one goal and take one step toward it. These little steps may seem small, but they add up to greatness. The future belongs to the women who refuse to give up, no matter how heavy the storm. The future belongs to the women who see failure not as an ending but as a teacher. The future belongs to the women who rise again, stronger each time. And here's the most important truth: resilience is not just about you. Every time you choose strength, you inspire another woman to do the same. Every time you stand tall, you show the next generation what's possible. Every time you refuse to break, you send a message to the world: strong women build strong futures. So let this be your reminder: you are stronger than you think. The hard times you're facing are not here to destroy you, they're here to shape you. Rise. Adapt. Connect. Take care of yourself. And never forget that every act of resilience today is an investment in a brighter tomorrow. Your future is waiting. Build it with strength, build it with courage, and build it with resilience. The world needs strong women like you. The future needs you. So stand tall, keep going, and never stop believing in the power of your strength.